everyone, welcome back to Hacks with Christina. Today I'm going to be showing you how to safely clean your car's infotainment screen, also known as a navigation screen. A clean infotainment screen not only looks great but also ensures optimal functionality and visibility. It's important that you use the correct products on your screen so that it doesn't break down any of the anti-glare coating and touch functionality. So you will not want to use regular glass cleaners like Windex because they can contain ammonia, acetone, toluene, or ethyl alcohol, all of which can damage tech screens. What I use is pretty basic. First, a microfiber cloth. Microfiber cloths are soft and won't scratch the surface of your screen like paper towels can do. They also will not leave behind any lint. Second is distilled water. It's important for it to be distilled because distilled water does not contain any impurities or minerals. It's pure water. Non-distilled water can leave stains and spots on the screen and can be highly acidic or alkaline due to the presence of dissolved minerals. Prolonged use of non-distilled water could potentially cause corrosion or damage to sensitive electronic components. I just spray a few spritz of distilled water on my microfiber cloth and then gently wipe the screen in a back and forth motion or circular motion. If you have a stubborn stain or smudge, you can dampen the corner of the cloth with distilled water and gently clean the area. Once I'm done cleaning, I'll turn my microfiber cloth over to the dry side and buff it out, and I'm done. No more dust, no more fingerprints, no more streaking, and most importantly, no damage to the screen. Regular cleaning will keep your screen looking crystal clear and functioning at its best. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.